Let me now tell you about what's unfolding in Maharashtra. The Mahayuti cabinet conundrum continues. Chief Minister Fadnavis, his deputy Ajit Pawar, will be meeting BJP top brass in Delhi. The portfolio allocations likely will be the top agenda because a lot of differences need to be ironed out. However, Eknath Shinde, former Chief Minister, now Deputy Chief Minister, has skipped the meeting. Sources are saying Shinde may not get the home berth that he was expecting. India Today has more inside scoop on the Mahayuti power formula. Sources tell us that the BJP will not be compromising on the heavyweight portfolios. Tainted ministers might be dropped, the chief minister loyalists likely to find the place in the cabinet. Sources say that Fadnavis is likely to retain the home berth, but Shinde may get, therefore, in return, revenue or the PWD department. What about Ajit Pawar of the NCP? Power or irrigation ministry could be going to them. Remember, it's been 11 days. Mahayuti Sarkar reached a consensus on the chief minister. That took almost 2 weeks already. By December 14th also, it's a likely date for cabinet expansion. The Mahayuti Troika has a big challenge to begin with. So that's the big news. Remember, at this point, while the government has been formed, so it looks like that the government has started to take shape, but eventually it will be about the ministers, and ministers also means representations. Eknath Shinde, that broke the Shiv Sena, will be expecting from the government and from the top brass of the BJP. The NCP as well broke the NCP, and from Sharad Pawar managed to come to victory. So let's listen in now to the reactions that have come in.
कौन सा मंत्रालय किसके पास रहेगा ये अंतिम चरण में है, उसका निर्णय तीनों मिलकर करेंगे। यूनिलैटरली उसकी घोषणा मैं नहीं कर सकता। और जहां तक पुराने मंत्रियों का सवाल है, तो उसमें निश्चित रूप से सभी के काम का एक मूल्यमापन तो हो रहा है, मूल्यांकन हो रहा है। उस मूल्यांकन, क्योंकि हमारे जो दोनों साथी है, एकनाथ शिंदे जी ने भी और दादा ने भी, हम तीनों ने बैठकर ये तय किया है कि हम मूल्यांकन करेंगे, पुराने मंत्रियों के कामों का मूल्यांकन होगा, उसके आधार पर आगे का निर्णय होगा।